Hello my friends, you are welcome in this English YouTube class. Now I am going to teach you the use of past indefinite tense and past continuous tense in a single sentence. एक ही सेंटेंस में पास्ट इंडेफिनेट और पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का यूज. Suppose that this is the present and before it is the past and after it is the future. When anything was going on in past, we use past continuous tense. जब कोई कार्य चल रहा था भूतकाल में, that is past continuous. तो past continuous tense होता है. कोई कार्य पहले चल रहा था past continuous means was or was plus followed by plus ing. If anything was going on in past, we use past continuous. Like they were playing, they were crossing the road, he was reading the book, she was sleeping soundly. Anything that was going on past is past continuous. जो पहले चल रहा था कार्य उसको past continuous कहते हैं. Suppose that in middle of that action, और उस चल रहे कार्य में happened something strange, कोई बीच में घटना घटित हो गई. Like he was sleeping soundly and in middle of it someone called him. We can use both that sentences in a single sentence. When he was sleeping, someone called him. One more sentence. He was crossing the road when he slept down. जब वह फिसला तब रोड पार कर रहा था. They were going to school when dog barked at them. He was driving the car when accident happened. He was entering the room when he saw the snake. If anything that was going on in past and in middle of it something happened. Here are some sentences. When he was running in the street, the dog barked at him. When he was running in past continuous. When he was running, it means he was running in past. He was running, it means it was going on in past. ये कार्य हो रहा था. When he was running in street, जब वह गली में दौड़ रहा था, the dog barked at him. The dog barked. Barked is the second form of the verb past indefinite. Dog barked is happened in middle of it. जब कार्य हो रहा था वो ये past continuous was या plus first or plus ing. And anything happened in middle of it. और उस चल रहे कार्य के बीच में कुछ हुआ, we will write that action in second form. So when he was running, जब वह दौड़ रहा था, the dogs barked at him. Dogs barked, कुत्ते भौंके. This is the action happened in middle of it. इसके बीच में ये कार्य हुआ. So we use both verbs in a sentence. इसलिए हम दोनों वर्ब सेंटेंस में यूज करेंगे. जो चल रहा था वो पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में और जो बीच में घटित हुआ वो वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म में. और when यूज हुआ है वो ये बताने के लिए कि दोनों कार्य एक साथ हुए हैं. When as while, the use of when as while. When as while means just at that time. When as while का मतलब ठीक उसी समय पर. और these words are conjunctions. ये शब्द conjunction है to tell that both actions happened at the same time. ये कंजंक्शन इनका मतलब होता है दोनों ही कार्य एक साथ घटित हुए हैं. When he was running in the street, जब वह दौड़ रहा था, the dog barked at him. कुत्ता उस पर भौंका. It means the action of running was going on and in middle of it something happened which में कुछ घटित हुआ. We can write that sentence before. The dog barked. The dog barked at him when he was running in the street. We can write this sentence first. The dog barked at him. कुत्ता उस पर भौंका. When he was running in the street. जब वह गली में दौड़ रहा था. Second sentence. She was entering the room. She was entering the room. She was entering the room. It means the action of entering was going on. प्रवेश का कार्य चल रहा था. She was entering the room. She was entering the room. वह प्रवेश कर रही थी. She was entering the room. वह प्रवेश कर रही थी. When she saw a snake here. When she saw a snake here happened something middle of it. उसने सांप देखा. When she was entering the room, middle of it happened something. She saw a snake. उसने सांप देखा. So what the going on? Action of entering was going on. प्रवेश का कार्य हो रहा था. And middle of it इसके बीच में देखने कार्य हुआ. Action of seeing देखने कार्य घटित हुआ बीच में घटनाक्रम में. तो उसको we will write as a second form. उसको second form में और जो चल रहा वो बहुत जरूरत से ing के रूप में. So what I want to tell you is that anything that was going on in past, we will write that action in past continuous. And if something happened in middle of it, और जब बीच में कुछ घटित हो जाए, we will write that action as a second form of the verb. It means past indefinite tense. As the teacher came into the class, the students stood up. As is the conjunction to tell that at the same time action happened. As the teacher came into the class, came is the second form of the verb. Came is the second form of the verb. It happened as event. This is the present because in the past. If anything happened as an event, you use that action in second form. As the teacher came, it means teacher came as an accident. As the teacher came into the class, जैसे teacher class में आया. The students stood up. Students खड़े हुए. Stood up also happened as event. And both actions happened at the same time. If both actions happened at the same time, we will use both actions in second form of the verb. So stand is also used in second form and come also used in second form because action of coming and action of standing up happened at the same time. Suppose that when the teacher entered, when the teacher came into the class, students already standing. Students पहले से खड़े थे. Then we will not use as stood. We will use students were standing. Students were standing means the action of standing was going on. Students पहले से खड़े थे. As teacher entered, जैसे टीचर ने प्रवेश किया. To what I mean to say that if anything was going on, we will use that action in past continuous. And what is happened in middle of it, we will use as the second form of the verb. When both actions happen at the same time, जब दोनों ही एक साथ घटित हो, continuous नहीं हो. Teacher entered, students stood up. Both happened at the same time. We will use both actions in second form of the verb. We will not use in continuous form. Second sentence. The lion was sleeping soundly. The lion was sleeping. से सो रहा था. This was in continuous form. The lion was sleeping. से सो रहा था. The lion was sleeping. से सो रहा था. When the mouse jumped on its body. When mouse jumped. Jumped is the second form. Second form means the lion was sleeping. In middle of it, something happened. कुछ न कुछ घटित हुआ है. If something was going on, we will write that action in past continuous tense. And what happened in it? we will use that action in second form of the verb. When as while, these are the conjunctions they used in such types of sentences. इस प्रकार के वाक्यों में when while as का यूज किया जाता है to tell that both actions was happened at the same time. दोनों वाक्यों के कार्य एक साथ घटित हुए हैं या एक हो रहा था और उसके बीच दूसरा घटित हुआ है, ये बताने के लिए when as while का यूज किया जाता है कंजक्शन के रूप में, जोड़ने वाले शब्द के रूप में. We can write it this sentence first. The students was standing up. The students was stood up. छात्र खड़े हुए as the teacher came into the class. जैसे टीचर चल गया. So this is we also write the first. The mouse was jumped on its body. Mouse was jumped on the lion's body.